classic Yesterday with a new arrangement by Sir Homer Flores. Please welcome the Cebuano charmer, Juan Carlos.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't stay. I say I must have been something wrong. Now alone for yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't stay. I say I must have been something wrong. Now alone for yesterday.
Our resident charmer, JK. Hi, bro. JK, patanong lang, bakit bigla ka naging emotional nung last part ng kanta? Bakit? Ba't bigla ka napaiyak? Thinking of your mom, who is very, very proud of you. Palakpan natin si Juan Carlos. Coach Sarah?
Juan Carlos, una sa lahat, napakagwapo mo naman tonight talaga. Juan Carlos, gusto ko lang ikaw i-congratulate. Alam mo, ang lahat ng pinakita mo sa competition na ito, yung iyong competence, yung iyong versatility, yung bukod sa charm mo, sa pagpapatawa mo, yung personality mo, pinatunayan mo rin na you should be taken seriously as a singer, as a performer. And alam mo, the best thing about you, Juan Carlos, you sing from the heart. So congratulations.
Thank you very much, Coach Sarah. From your very own, Coach Bamboo.
Oh man, I'm so proud of you, Juan Carlos.
Sino yung makeup ko?
Wait, gusto ko lang kwento, yung buong week na to, walang boses si Juan Carlos eh. Di namin siya pinapakanta, nahirapan siya, medyo namao siya. So yung challenges of this week, iba yung presenta sa show na to, di ba? For us, for both of us. Pero this is the first time I'm hearing you 100% singing this song. And I just love it, yung section na umangat ka. And you went for it. You went for it. Regardless, ha?
Thank you, Coach.
Diba? You're in this to win this. Man, nakikita ko, I see a singer, I see an artist, I see possibly an actor, someone who has that charisma, right? Someone who can do it all, diba? Kung triple threat siya, you are the triple threat, you are my voice, man. So, congratulations, man.
Thank you, Coach.
While we're at it, Coach Leah, would it be okay to ask for a few words na rin para kay Juan Carlos?
For me?
Yes?
Oh, my gosh. This was not what I was expecting. As Coach Sarah said, kumakanta ka galing sa puso mo. And that is the one thing that makes you so special. Kasi hindi ka bumibirit, but you have your looks, you have your charm, and you have your heart. So those three, you're guaranteed a future in this business. So congratulations to you.
Thank you very much, coaches. Juan Carlos, maraming salamat
Thank
sa'yo, bro.
you.